Welcome to the Autocad tutorial part 8. Here we will learn chamfer command. Chamfer is again a modification tool. It will have several options to join two lines. The command for chamfer is CHA. Let us type and see how does it work. There are several options available with chamfer. It's undo, polyline, distance, angle, trim, method and multiple. Here we will use distance, so we'll press D here. It will ask for the first chamfer distance. Let us give 2 to it. It will ask for the second chamfer distance. Let's again give 2. Press enter. Now select the first line and then select the second line. Press enter. The command is CHA, then D for distance, then 2 as the measure for the first chamfer distance, second again will give 2, then select the first and then the second object. We can see the angle between these two lines. The rectangle command also displays chamfer as its option. When we will press REC in the command area, it will display chamfer there. After selecting C, we'll have to give the chamfer distance. Let us skip it 3 and then again 3. It will ask you to select the first corner in your drawing area and then the second, and the rectangle has been drawn. The next command is fillet. The fillet command connects two lines, arcs or circles with a smooth arc of specified radius. It adjusts the length of the original lines or arcs so they end exactly on the fillet arc. If the polyline option is used, you can apply fillet to an entire polyline or remove the fillets from a polyline. The command for fillet is F. Here I'll give radius as the available option. It has 3 radius. Now select the first object. Here it is. And then select the second object, and the fillet has created the circular angle between these two lines. The next command that we will learn is trim. The trim command allows you to trim objects in a drawing area so they end precisely at a cutting edge defined by one or more objects in the drawing. If you want to trim these two lines, the command is TR Press enter. Select objects above which you want to trim the other objects. Then right click somewhere in the window and select, and the line has been trimmed like this. We have learned chamfer, fillet and trim commands in this tutorial. We'll learn some more commands in our next tutorial. Thank you.